Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by opening Wallet because Apple Pay needs an active card entry. Tap the plus button and choose Debit Card, then follow prompts. Once done, use your phone camera to scan the Chime debit card or enter numbers manually because accuracy avoids verification delays. Make sure Face ID or Touch ID is enabled to authorize payments quickly. This is how Apple verifies you own the device and speeds verification with Chime. After adding the card, Apple Wallet will prompt Chime authentication. You may get a one-time code by SMS or be asked to log into the Chime app to confirm. Follow the method Chime offers. Once you receive a code, enter it immediately. Codes expire. If micro-deposits are used, check your Chime transactions for small amounts and enter those exact cents. Make sure Wallet has permission to communicate with Chime. Otherwise, the link cannot finish. Finish by selecting the Chime card as your default if that's your plan. This saves time at checkout. Then run a quick test. Buy a $1 app or tap to pay at a contactless terminal to confirm transactions authorize. If it fails, log out and back into Chime, update both apps, confirm the card isn't blocked, and retry. One key troubleshooting tip: if verification stalls, remove and re-add the card after restarting your phone to clear temporary errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.